uniforms that would still smell after washing. It's pretty simple. It's not a proper cycle. It's not the proper chemistry in it. It might be a proper length in it. There are some challenges like with some hockey uniforms, which has got a different odor than a lot of others. But getting the proper formula and the proper chemistry in it is critical. One of the things that we have been using a lot of in the sports side, but also in our medical, is ozone. Ozone, 3 molecules of oxygen. We put it in the wash wheel. It deodorizes. It also disinfects. We can make those formulas nice and short. We can do it in primarily cold water. And they come out just beautiful. They come out just smelling wonderful. They're fresh, but it's also disinfected. Now, that's an additional expense, and some people, that's just not in the budget. So making sure you've got the right formulas and the right chemistry in there and the right chemical partner is so critical to making sure that those things come out, again, smelling well and they're fresh. Now, you can overdo it. You can put too much bleach into it. You can do those things that will harm those uniforms, but you certainly want it set up properly and be able to have it programmed that, you're proud to put that on your student athlete or your professional athlete.